forget the focal point of this body, the truth. And the truth is, we will have forever as musicians. Our voice will fade, our fingers will speak. There will come a time that JB, our drummer, won't keep the same way. Dia, our guitarist, won't drum the same way. Tachi won't plug the same bass string one way. And as for our vocalist, I was voice will fade too. That is the truth. But a man's brain is filled with a number of numbers we can forget. A man's brain is measured with the amount of truth we can accept. So to my fellow musicians, let us slow this truth and make music like it's the last day of our year.